Good morning, traders. This is Mike with Trading, and I am sitting here about a minute and a half before the bell watching AMD, trying to figure out what it's going to do for the day. It's kind of tricky this morning. It opened up with a gap down, and since it's looked like it's trying to kind of fight back. My game plan is looking to it maybe to wash out right at open to about the 1980 area. That's usually been an area of support for it, and then try to fill the gap. But I've been learning over the last couple of days not to get married to my plan, so that is the plan as of now, and I'm going to see what happens between now and then to see what goes on. So we got about 30 seconds before the bell. And things should start to get crazy here in the next few seconds. Alright, I'm long. Oh shit. Oh no, I'm not getting out here. I am out. No good, guys, no good. Where did I get in at 93? Right now it'd be good. A little premature. Let's see if I can get crushed again. Good gosh. Come on now. Let's get past 20. I'm getting out. It's about to be death town for me. We're about to have a bad day here, guys. I gotta get through this 1980 or else I'm about to get crunched. Come on, man. It's looking so weak. Just go. I'll just die right through it. 1980 is where we're really needing some help at. I don't know how I got in so low there. That's exactly where it needs to break, and that's about where I'm at. 90 would have been a good entry here. So I had some room to play with here. They're just fighting real hard to keep it above 1980. Once we get through that, we should see some downward momentum. All right, here we go. Just need to get this break. Man, it keeps bouncing off of it. Giving me a heart attack in the meantime. I am needing this really badly to save this day. Get through there. Here it comes, guys. Lots of selling pressure stepping in. Let's go. Man, they just won't let us through. This is one of those trades where if I can just be patient and let it work out, I could have a big payoff if it breaks through here. Save my my loss, but I also got to be careful because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times now it's tried to get through in the last 5 minutes. So there's an institution or somebody just buying every time it gets to 1980, and all right, it's on the 5-minute chart. It's showing, downward trend. On the 1-minute, downward trend. So it might be time to break through. There we go. Come on. Next place on the chart we want to really see it get through is 1975. That's the low of the day so far, the opening range breakout, basically. I'd love to see it get below 75 for obvious reasons, but all right, now we got a little pullback, which is going to test me again. The only thing that's really scaring me about this trade is that gap to fill above. At any minute, it could try to go fill it, which it looks like it might be trying to do right now. This is not the way you want to start your day, guys, or your week. We're about to have to get out. I had my finger on the sell button there, waiting to see what it did at 20. We needed to get the hell away from there now. Yeah, we're about to get crunched. It didn't let me out. Fuck. I can't even get out of my trade. we go. Wow. That's nice. Cost me an extra couple $100 there. I hate it when I'm right and lose money before the bell. We were talking about letting it get down to 1980 and then going long for the gap to fill, and I did so in the first candle. It just dumped back on me. Got a bad entry on that one. $20 is where I got my entry. So I got in here as it dumped back down to here on the first go round. Yeah. So when I decided to buy this morning, I bought right here. That was a great place to buy because you see, it just came right back down. Well, lost $27.89 today. That is really bad. That's it. Everything I made last week gone. As much as I want to trade and try to get some of it back, I don't like to trade after 3 losses in a row, and you just saw 3 losses. So I am going to get off of here and try to figure out what the hell I did so wrong, which we already know. I had a really good plan. I just did not execute it very well. So we will, I'll keep watching this, but I'm going to try to keep myself from trading. So you guys have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow morning.